Hello and welcome. I just wanted to show you my new multi-chopper slicer. I was pretty excited to get this. I wanted to see how well it would do, and I wanted to show you what I thought of it to see if it is something you might be interested in. Whatever we can do to make it easier in the kitchen. I found this basket and it is perfect to hold everything. I knew that was going to be very important to keep the kitchen organized. I find when things do not work in the kitchen, they end up getting tossed out. This came with so many different blades, and what I really liked was the containers that they're in. They are very sharp, and this keeps it safe. My potatoes were out in my garage, which is very cold in Michigan, and so they were a little bit on the frozen side. It is a lot of fun using this. Makes you want to chop everything up. I did find that the bigger chunks were harder to do, so I did cut them down. But you could do a lot fast. While I was doing this, I was trying to decide what I was going to do with all these potatoes that were cut up. And at the end of this video, I will show you what I came up with. This just pops right off, and then you add the other piece. Took me a few minutes to figure it out, but it actually goes together really easy. These were cut perfectly. So thin. There are so many different brands of these out there on Amazon. It's hard to know which one to get. That's why I wanted to show this one. Whatever we can do to make it easier in the kitchen. And then I washed everything up, put it back in here in my little basket, and I just wanted to show how I store it. It was so cold in Michigan today that I decided to do crock pot potato soup. Every time I make this, I make it a little different, and today this is how I made this batch. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. Thanks for watching.